The production line in the video is used to make hollow particular board. Hollow particular board, also called bridge hole mechanical board, as an innovation in the manufacturing process of door core board, has become a highlight of the products of powerful interior door manufacturers, using the principle of arch bridge opening. The mechanical board of bridge opening makes use of high-tech technology to make solid wood chips into a unique tubular structure. Since the weight is less than half of the solid wood of the same size, the lightweight texture can also avoid the deformation caused by the excessive load on the hinge and door pocket. At the same time, the bridge opening mechanical board also effectively prevents the diffusion of temperature like a thermos, and maintains a pleasant temperature in both winter and summer. Compared with the flat-pressed particular board, the extrusion method does not need special paving machine, pre-press, slab conveyor, and slab accelerated conveyor for the production of the door plate, and its mixed particles can be directly fed into the extrusion machine from the silo. The production of hollow particular board requires less equipment, and its operating costs and equipment maintenance costs will also be reduced. Sinoeuro Machinery manufacturer is a professional manufacturer with 27 years experience for wood-based panel machinery, solutions plant with factory planning, and design of whole plant layout and processing technology.